Dear listeners, your own channel Ask Asti. Today we are going to discuss very important topic: no supervisor, no work. Supervisor is a person who instructs, directs and controls the workers in performance of their day-to-day duties. There are different terminologies for supervisors in different organizations. Sometimes we say supervisor as foreman, headman, overseer, monitor, lead, and even sometimes area coordinator. Regardless of these titles, supervisor is holding a key position in any organization. Supervisor is a bridge or interlink in between management and the workers. For a good supervisor, some qualities are required. A good supervisor should have good quality of planning, organizing, scheduling, setting standards. He should know procedures. His work should be of quality. He should have quality work and he should manage his workflow. Moreover, a good supervisor should have fact-finding or solution-providing nature. He should not be a fault finder. A good supervisor should know how to report and whom to report. In Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, all big clients, Saudi Aramco, SABIC, Royal Commission, different ministries, NEOM, Amala, all big clients, they emphasize on this position because they understand the importance of supervisor. Occupational health and safety supervisor will ensure proper induction or orientation for new staff. He will guide them about the company or organization policy and procedures, work permit procedure, lockout tagout procedure, all safe system of work procedures. And he will also guide them about PPE, personal protective equipment, what type of PPE and how to use these PPE. And he is the one who will educate about emergency response procedures. And he will also mandate on the job trainings to enhance competency of existing workforce. So occupational health and safety supervisor, he will enforce safe work practices because he knows that if failure will happen, it will invite accidents, disasters. He is the one who will provide corrective actions, immediate steps, and sometimes temporary precautionary measures to keep the business running. And he is the one who will prevent lingering ill health or unsafe conditions. Occupational health and safety supervisor will investigate the accidents to avoid reoccurrence. He will undig the root causes. And he is the one who will promote quick return to work. So guys, if I sum up my all discussion, there are 5 major qualities required from supervisor. 5 most important qualities that must be found in any supervisor. First quality is leadership. He should lead by example. He should be a role model. People should love to follow him. Second good quality of good supervisor is communication. His instructions should be clear. Third quality of supervisor is time management. His decisions should be time bound. He should educate people. He should manage his team in a way that they are meeting targets, deadlines. Fourth quality of good supervisor is judgment. He should be sound in his judgment. His decision should be quite based on his knowledge, skills and ability. And lastly, the fifth quality of good supervisor is his technical soundness. He should know his business thoroughly and deeply. He should understand the job technically. Then he can instruct, advise and educate other guys. Then he can supervise better. So guys, keep on watching our videos and don't forget Ask Asti.